How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go from $0 to $5,000 per month in 2021 with affiliate marketing and free traffic alone. I'm going to show you a couple of real-life examples with real results, so listen carefully. Now, as you could see on screen, now these results are not guaranteed, but I'm going to show you how I achieved these results myself in the past 30 days leveraging affiliate marketing and free traffic alone, okay? Now before I dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button because this channel is all about affiliate marketing and driving traffic, so make sure you don't miss out on any future content. Now without further ado, let's dive right into it, okay? So $0 to $5,000 per month with affiliate marketing, step-by-step training with free traffic, okay? So what is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products for a commission. It's really that simple. There's nothing much to it, okay? So basically, $100 product, okay, you decide to promote a product, I don't know, let's just say ClickFunnels or a website builder or whatever, okay? And they have $100 for their service and they pay out 40% commission, okay? So if you sell a $100 product at a 40% commission, you will make $40, right? It's really that simple. So you pick a product, you sell them, and they give you a commission, all right? So now what you need to know to get to $5,000 per month, okay? There's basic 4 simple key things you need to do, all right? So number 1, you need one main high ticket offer. Now this will be your biggest income stream now, okay? So a high ticket offer is an offer that pays $100, $250, $500, $1,000 per sale, okay? Because these high ticket commissions are going to get you moving, okay? You don't want $10 commissions, $20 commissions. Nobody wants those types of commissions because one, you will have to get hundreds, if not thousands of $10, $5 commissions, okay, to make a full-time income online. We want to make 5 to 10 high ticket sales to make a decent income online, all right? So imagine making 5 sales per month, $1,000 sales, okay? That's 5 times $1,000 is $5,000, okay? With just 5 sales. So this is why high ticket offers are much better than just standard low ticket $10, $20 offers, all right? Next thing we need is 1 or 2 back-end recurring subscription plans. So for example, a website builder, a funnel. Now this is gonna allow us to generate monthly recurring revenue, okay? So all you have to do is get one person to sign up and you will be getting commissions from that person as long as he stays signed up. So imagine you are promoting ClickFunnels. They have a $97 per month plan and you sell 10 $97 plans at a 40% commission. Okay, so that's $40 times 10 people is $400. You will be getting $400 every single month. That's why recurring subscriptions are very good. Next thing we need is 1 to 3 consistent traffic sources that are going to be driving traffic to your funnel, to your website every single month. Now, there's lots of traffic sources, yes, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Quora, or anything you can think of that are free. I personally use Facebook and YouTube, but actually right now I'm also starting a TikTok account because TikTok is also very powerful at generating traffic online, okay? So the next thing we need is we need to give people lots of value for free, because if you're not going to be giving value to people, you're just going to be pushing your affiliate link, you know, just posting it everywhere into Facebook groups, on YouTube, whatever, TikTok, you're just going to be sending everybody your affiliate link. Nobody is going to purchase anything from you. I promise you that, okay? That's not how it fucking works. You have to give people value, and in return, they will trust you and they will buy from you, okay? This is how it works. Nobody is going to purchase from you if you just send them your affiliate link, okay? You might as well just ask them to give you money for free, okay? So these are the 4 most important things you need to do to get to $5,000 per month. It's not hard, okay? Setting up everything at the start may be a bit overwhelming, but once you get everything set up, your websites, your funnel, you pick your traffic. Now, once everything is set up, okay, your offer is set up, everything. Now, the next only thing you do is you focus on traffic, sending traffic every single day, every single week, every single month, consistently, because consistency is key with affiliate marketing, okay? Marketing driving traffic is the only thing you need to focus on once everything is set up, okay? Now, this is the basic 3-step funnel, what I like to call it, okay? So, on the left side here, you can see your traffic sources: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, the free ones, YouTube. And from these social media platforms, we're going to be sending traffic to the squeeze page. Okay? This is a simple page that is used for collecting emails, nothing more, right? It's a simple squeeze page. Now, once you get their email, you redirect them to the bridge page. Now, this is a pre-sales page. It's a bridge page where you tell your leads more about the affiliate offer to warm them up. And after they click on the next step, they get redirected to the affiliate offer, right? And this is the page where they purchase the actual product. And it's not really that hard once you get everything set up. Don't worry, stick with me, guys. Watch to the end of this video because I have something awesome, something really awesome to show you. It's gonna make your life a lot easier. All right, so and also with the bridge page, you send emails, right? You basically follow up via email. Okay, everything is automated. So because nobody purchases on the first time, right? Only a couple of people will purchase on the first time, so that's why you have to follow up. Now, that sounds like a lot of hard work, right? Well, I have a solution for you that will make things a lot easier. It's gonna save you so much time. You just watch, guys, just watch, okay? So, my solution for you is called the multiple income funnel. Now, this is just insanely powerful. Not many people know about this funnel. It just came out last month and it's insane, guys. I'm gonna show you my results in a couple of minutes. Just stick with me. Now, your job with the multiple income funnel. Now, this is a funnel, okay, which has 4 streams of income inside. And all you have to do is share one link, okay? And you get paid on 4 different streams of income. Now, your job is to just send clicks to the opt-in page, which is one link, and you earn on 4 different offers inside the funnel. It's 100% done for you, all right? So, multiple income funnel income streams. Let's go through the 4 income streams you get paid once you sign up. Now, the actual funnel itself pays $20 per month, recurring. So anybody who signs up under you, you will make $20 a month from them. The second income stream is the main high ticket offer, which pays out $25 to $2,000 commissions, which is absolutely amazing. And income stream number 3 is a follow-up service, which pays out $100. Income stream number 4 is traffic. Now, you can also purchase traffic from income stream number 4, and if you just are too lazy, building up your Instagram account, your YouTube channel, your TikTok, you can simply purchase high quality targeted traffic right to your opt-in page. Now, They also offer a 40% commission on anybody who purchases from you. So $80 to $3,000. So you can see that this multiple income funnel is absolutely insane, and you can make tons of money with just one person you refer. You can literally make thousands of dollars from just one lead you get, okay? So that's why it's very, very powerful. Now, this is the funnel of the multiple income funnel. You send traffic, right, to the opt-in page, which is already built for you. All you have to do is just share the link. All you have to do is just get traffic. Everything here is set up. The system follows up for you, it sells for you, it does all the telling and selling for you. All you have to do is just share the link, just get clicks, right? So this is the starting page, the opt-in page. This is the bridge page, testimonials, blah, 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 blah. And once they collect their email, they also get followed up. So everything is done for you. You don't even have to do the email marketing. And right here is your income streams. So everybody who goes through the funnel will activate their income streams and you get paid, right? So let me show you right here. Now, I use YouTube to generate all my traffic online, okay? So I post videos about affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, whatever, okay? And I post my link in the description. I also use affiliate marketing Facebook groups. I talk to a lot of people. I message people, I communicate, I give value, I teach people stuff, and in return, I share my affiliate link again, okay? And anybody who signs up under me, I get a commission, okay? That's affiliate marketing. Now, let me show you the multiple income funnel, right? This is it, okay? This is the inside of the multiple income funnel. As you can see here, you get a step-by-step tutorial on what to do, what to set up, how to set everything up, what to do, okay? It's absolutely amazing. So step number one is to watch the video, right? You join their Facebook group. Number two is set up income stream number one, which is easy one up, the $25 to $2,000 commissions, okay? So you simply set everything here up. You connect all your income streams, and then all you have to do is go to links right here, and as you can see here, this is your funnel link, all right? And all you have to do is, once you get signed up, just go to links and share these links. You can choose one. I mean, there's 3 capture pages, and this is the VSL. This is actually the sales page. But if you share these links, okay, they will follow up for you. They will collect their email. They will do everything for you, right? So I can just open it on a new tab, and as you can see here, this is the opt-in page done for me, okay? They will do everything for me. I click, somebody will come here, watch the video, they will sign up, email, name, the system is gonna follow up for me, they're gonna send them emails, and then I get paid, right? They're gonna come through the funnel, they're gonna activate their income streams, and I'm gonna make money from each income stream they purchase, right? And now, guys, the best part is that you can go to traffic up here, and you can purchase high quality targeted traffic right to the funnel, okay? So for 220 bucks, you can purchase 170 to 190 targeted clicks, okay, right to your offer. You can paste this link when you purchase 200 clicks, and it will send 200 clicks directly to this page, okay? 200 highly targeted laser traffic clicks to this page. And that's how it works, guys. So you can either purchase traffic, or you can build up your YouTube channel, your TikTok profile, you can communicate with people in Facebook groups, and you can get traffic like that, okay? So it's up to you, whatever budget you have, okay? But guys, I highly recommend you click the first link in the description, go through the funnel, okay? watch the videos here. Mac Mills is the creator of this funnel. Watch every video he shows you. Set up your income streams, at least the first two, okay? The multiple income funnel and easy one up, because these are the most important income streams inside the funnel. And simply do what he tells you to do and send traffic to one of these 3 links. And that's how you make money online, right? It's not hard. Or you can, again, build up your YouTube channel and send traffic like I do if you don't want to be buying traffic. But I'd really highly recommend you do so. I do both. I purchase traffic and I also do free traffic, okay? And from income stream number 2, I made $5,200 in the last 30 days. I can't show you, I can't open, I would love to, guys, I would love to open it here and show you my leaderboard, but I have to follow a privacy policy. I cannot show you inside the dashboard. I would love to, but I can't. So you're gonna have to take my word that I made $5,200. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit the first link in the description, go through the funnel, watch the videos, and you'll see what I'm talking about.